Alright, Nick, what you got? Ooh. What's on those?
This one has snow on this one.
Yeah.
And this one has paint on this.
That's cool. Mikey, what do you have?
Mommy's.
Mommy's?
What does the choo-choo say?
Choo.
Hey, Mikey. Mikey, do me a favor. Can you say chips?
Beat.
Okay. Nick, show me what else you got.
Show Daddy.
You did get other stuff other than Thomas.
Wow, Mom, look at these. I get no camouflage pants.
Sweet.
Sweet. Now nobody will see you at the party.
You'll blend in.
I'll blend in.
Mater, yes.
You can hide in the tree like a
What else
monkey.
did you get?
What else?
Did you get any shirts or
Where's your
shoes?
sandals?
Oh, look, I have new sandals.
Word.
Cool. Who'd you get those from?
And Uncle Justin.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Who'd you get your Thomases from?
I don't know.
Grandma and Grandpa in Ohio.
Yeah. I want to say thank you.
Yeah.
Mommy.
How old are you today?
I'm 4.
You're 4 now?
How many is that? Can you show me? Show me how many it is on your hand. Can you show me 4?
4 fingers.
Yeah.
Sweet. Say yeah.
Yeah.
Say I'm not 3 anymore.
Not 3 anymore.
Yay.
Yay.
Alright, happy birthday, bub.
Happy birthday, Nick. Michael, say happy birthday.
Happy.